Well, after my video ended up not transferring to my phone, I'm going to give you a brief summary of what this day ended up like. It was a beautiful day, nice and hot. We saw Dragon's Tooth, and then I headed
Alright,
to
that's not
Four
a
Pond
pleasant.
Hostel. It
There's
was
the
a
view.
nice, pleasant place. It was a large garage that we were all in. We had a campfire that night, and then in the morning, I was ready to head off to McAfee now. As I got to the top, I realized what an amazing place that this place is. Shared a cup of coffee on top and really took some great photos. And we just had an unbelievable day going up to McAfee. On our way down, as it was starting to get a little bit darker, or later, got some good protein with some sardines that we really love. Found some really cool crystals and feldspar. Then we walked around the Lynchburg Reservoir. And on our way down, we basically started going down towards Daleville. There I was able to jump into this little creek, take a bath, and then eventually go get a real good Mexican dinner with a cold margarita. A great, great day. I apologize for not having more video, but when I broke my phone, it's been a hard time. And thanks for watching, and keep on hiking.